Exercise number 11 and 12 start. Our life's mission has been fulfilled, full stop. We took the responsibility of running the administration of the country on our old shoulders as we desired to hand over the country to the younger generation as a running concern, full stop. We expect the youth of the country to come forward and share our responsibility and lighten our burden, full stop. It, however, pains me to find that the younger generation, as represented by socialists and others, are frittering away their energies in destructive activities such as organizing strikes, thus hampering the work of reconstruction. Full stop. If the youth continues to believe in this irresponsible manner, I, for one, would not hesitate to lay down the reins of office. Full stop. The ruler of small states of Kathiawar have decided to form a union of the states of Saurashtra. Full stop. The representatives of these rulers will meet me soon to discuss the details of the union. Full stop. It is a great relief that Gandhiji has broken his fast. Full stop. I shall not, however, stop at this. Full stop. I want you to go deep into the causes that brought about the fast and eradicate them once for all. Full stop. It pains me to find that free India is not a trading on the right path. Full stop. What happened in the country during the last 5 months has hurt the noble soul of the Mahatma. Full stop. I appeal to you to create a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere in the country because it is prerequisite of all progress. Full stop. Next paragraph. I strongly repudiate the charge that Congress ministries are following the same high-handed and antiquated methods used by the old British bureaucracy and that congressmen have become capitalists. Full stop. The division of the country has created several new problems which have immensely taxed our brains during the last 5 months. We need a powerful army for defense. Full stop. We cannot rely on foreign countries for imports. Full stop. Everything we have to manufacture in our own country. Full stop. The transfer of population following partition has created great complications and added to our great difficulties. Full stop. We have to provide food, clothing, and shelter for lakhs of refugees for rehabilitate them. Full stop. We have always taken the socialists into our confidence. Full stop. We consulted them on the partition of the country, but they could not put forward their own viewpoint. Full stop. When we consulted them on the issue of decontrol, they emphatically demanded the immediate withdrawal of all controls. Full stop. As soon as the rationing of food grains was done away with, they passed this. Full stop. Next paragraph. Whatever else may be said against the present ministry in Bengal, there is at least one thing about which there is no dispute that after many years Bengal has secured a band of workers whose honesty and incorruptibility are not in question. Full stop. I have no doubt they will learn by experience. But if any of you feel that you are better equipped, full stop. I have already told you how to secure the removal of the ministry, full stop. But Gundaism cannot and will not be allowed to prevail, full stop. I sincerely tell you that we cannot afford it when we have such delicate tasks to fulfill, full stop. The country is saved from fragmentation by the accession of states, full stop. Otherwise, a Rajasthan would have been something worse than Pakistan, full stop. There is all around scarcity of customer goods, full stop. The moral is pain, the moral is plain, full stop. You should have patience so that these stupendous responsibilities could be satisfactorily discharged by the central and provincial governments. Full stop. You have been slaves for 200 years. Full stop. Now that your own men are in office, why can't you have patience for a few years? Question mark. Instead, we have the sickening spectacle of a so-called token one-day strike by labor in Bombay after their representatives had subscribed to 3 years of non-strike truce. Full stop. And what for was the strike organized? Question mark. Admittedly, to show that leadership of labor is with the organizers. Full stop. This is sheer nonsense, full stop. Holidays with pay are always welcome to anyone, full stop. A strike of this kind, which does not involve loss of wages, cannot therefore show with whom the leadership lies, full stop. Calcutta has had a taste of a general strike once, full stop. I hope you have not forgotten its lesson and in all humility I ask you to avoid its repetition. Full stop. Next paragraph. I have been blamed that I am a friend of Rajas, capitalists, and Jamidars, but I claim to be a friend of labor and the poor as well. Full stop. Since I have followed Gandhiji, I have resolved not to own any property and I have none. Full stop. But like Gandhiji, I want to make the capitalists also understand which may their true duty lies. Full stop. I cannot succumb to the prevalent fashion to pose as leader or to attempt to gain leadership by abusing princes, capitalists, etc. without rhyme or reason. Full stop. Many said some time ago that by bringing in princes I had harmed the cause of the people, but were not prepared for the merger of 40 states into a neighboring province in 2 days, nor did they seem to realize the elementary fact that if princes wish to exist, they cannot do so without